Hello. So we're starting a vlog right now because we're throwing a party tonight. Kind of a mini party, but the fight's tonight, and we decided to get the fight and invite a few people over. So we got a lot of shit to do. We've actually already done a lot. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, we did a lot yesterday. We cleaned up. I went to the store, picked up additional items that we needed.
We did all the food, most of the food shopping yesterday.
Yeah.
So our apartment's looking pretty fresh. We still have a few things to do, like the bedroom needs to be fixed up.
Oh yeah, we do gotta make the bed.
Yeah, we're gonna make the bed and just clean up. Like, this kitchen's a mess, but I'm also about to start cooking, so it's gonna be a mess for a while. But yeah, we actually we put the ACs in the window. Oh, you can't see it. Put the ACs in the window because they were taking up too much damn space in the closet, in the front closet. So we did that. And
You gotta explain it. That's a New York problem.
Oh yeah, yeah. So if you don't live in New York apartments really don't come with any closet space at all. So our largest closet our largest closet is actually our hallway closet. So it has a bunch of stuff. It obviously has our coats, but it was also holding our ACs. It has our luggage in there. It holds my purses. We've got a lot of shit in there, and we just need some room. So we were like, let's just put the ACs in the window. It's May already, so we'll probably need them soon. Even though it's May and it's kind of freaking cold still and rainy as hell. But yeah, so tonight on the docket we have, or on the menu, we have cauliflower vegan pizza. So we went to Whole Foods yesterday. This was Meech's idea to do cauliflower pizza, or like cauliflower crust pizza. And I was like, honestly, I'm down. Like, I don't know how it's going to taste, but it should be good. So Meech actually told Ori and Chelsea yesterday, but the rest of our guests will not know. And we'll see if they say anything. Do you think they will?
No. I literally just don't think that anybody's going to notice.
Yeah, they're just going to be like, oh, homemade pizza. So, and then to go along with the pizza, I'm also going to make wings. So vegan pizza, but then with a side of meat.
Well, the side of meat is for people that...
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, I'm definitely not going to make cauliflower wings. That's for damn sure. So.
Shit. But, like, you know, buffalo cauliflower bites be hitting, though.
Yeah, they do, actually. Maybe, nah, that's a little too much right now. Yeah. Let's do the damn thing. And yeah, I did get ready first just so I could be pretty on the vlog for you guys. So you're welcome for that. Oh, also some guac. We've got some chips, some dip. I feel like buying glass Tupperware was one of our prime adulting moments.
Although I can't fucking find one. 2,
right?
Yeah, you said it was 6.
Yeah. I don't know where the hell they went.
Yeah, like, I have no fucking...
This is my prize for winning the twerking contest. She gave me her dirty glass. I was like, oh, thanks.
She gave you her glass.
Literally, she had been drinking out of it the whole time. She was like, oh, like when I was going to leave, she was like, oh, this can be your prize. I was like, wonderful. Can't say I really worked very hard for that, to win that though. Guys, let it be known, if I win a twerking contest, something's wrong, or the bar has been set very low. Okay, guys, just cleaning and cutting the wings, because I got like the full wings. Because these, I don't know, I feel like they're meatier than... Actually, I just bought them and then we decided to make them. I'm not even going to act like there was a reason why I got these as opposed to the frozen ones, but I did. That's hopefully going to balance. Okay, yeah, if the dishwasher kicks in, we might be in trouble. But yeah, cleaned them because you got to clean your chicken. If you don't clean your chicken, I'm judging you. And then I just take some good old poultry scissors and cut the flat from the drum. Babe, drums or flats?
Flats.
Duh. I can appreciate a good drum though. Like, you know how some places you can order all flats or whatever? I don't think I would do that. Like,
no, I love that.
Yeah?
I don't typically do it. It's not like a thing of mine, but like...
If there's an option.
Yeah, I'm here for it.
I want to know if, like, somebody took a poll. How many people, like, what sells more? All flats or all drums?
All flats.
Right?
Yeah, I think that the flats are more of a thing. Like...
Yeah, for
like
sure.
People who like drumsticks just...
Are weird.
No, they eat chicken legs. Like, look at fucking chicken leg, bro.
Yeah, it's just a bigger drum, right? I'm gonna make these wings in the air fryer because they actually come out really good that way. And healthier.
Small?
Say that again?
I feel like your pillow is so small.
In comparison to yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. I kind of do. Remember when you, like, I was like, oh, I need a pillow softer than yours. I kind of regret getting a pillow softer than yours. Like, whenever you go out of town, I always sleep on your pillow.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta start the dishwasher again. Didn't I? No.
No, she just closed it. She started.
It didn't.
It was starting to move for a while. Press start.
Oh, I'm new to dishwashers. Finally done.
Alright, YouTube, so it's pizza time. We got these California pizza crusts, and I know that Ashley told you guys earlier that we're making vegan pizzas, but it's biggest day right here. It says cage-free egg whites. So, it's not vegan, but still really healthy. So, if you guys looking for like a, you know, healthier alternative and you are in the mood for pizza, give it a try. So I'm gonna whip these bad boys up and wait for Ashley to come through, and yeah, we'll see. Come and get your love.
Pizza time! Oh, you started without me? So I heard you say that it's not vegan?
No, it's not vegan.
Wonderful. We are...
It doesn't have to be vegan.
I mean, no, we were just trying to do something healthier.
Yeah.
I actually do really fuck with vegan cheese. I think it's really tasty. Have you ever had it?
Yeah. I forgot what we had recently that was made with vegan cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Something.
Damn, what was it?
You might have to pull out the Beyond Meat. So you might have to cook that stuff because it might take longer to cook than the pizza.
Oh, like brown it up a little?
Yeah, because I don't think it's gonna.
Yeah. Oh, are we gonna do the mushroom or should we just do one cheese, one sausage? We could save the mushroom for like dinner. What do you think? Or a sausage mushroom. If you guys want a low-calorie bevy when your boyfriend or whoever is drinking beer, but I don't know, beer for me gets me really bloated, especially if I'm like drinking and eating. But spiked seltzer is the jam. It doesn't like, it's not heavy at all. You can't really taste any alcohol, but it still gets you drunk. And then we got this field roast vegan sausage, vegetarian grain meat sausages, Italian. Isn't this funny looking?
Yo. Savage.
Just one, right?
Oh yeah, we gotta wash the other
pan.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you supposed to squeeze it out of that?
Yeah, this is like legit plastic.
Oh, that's a plastic casing.
Smells really good. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys how I made the wings. So I made them in the air fryer. And I basically, you set your air fryer to 390 and then you put just like a single layer of wings. Don't pile them because they won't cook right. Nothing really cooks right in the air fryer unless it's like one single layer. And then you do it for 15 to 17 minutes. I did it for 15 because I'm going to pop these wings in the oven and have them cook a little longer. But if you want them fully cooked through, I would do like 17 minutes. And I just did all of them. It took me like 2 hours, and the reason I didn't tell you guys about it was because we were listening to Joe Budden's podcast in the middle of it. And so I did all of the wings, and then I put this sauce on it. I gotta find the bottle because I threw it out, but it's delicious, the sauce. And then I just put them in a tray, and once these pizzas are done, I'm gonna put them in the oven to like heat up and finish cooking. And I think this needs some water. Be dry. I wonder what this is made out of because it's really like, it really has the texture of sausage. Do you think I should do a second, or does this look like enough for one pizza?
Oh, it's definitely enough for one pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Yeah, it smells bomb. It should make me hungry.
Vegetarian stuff is like, you really just gotta get it hot, like, because it's not meat, you know?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It smells like a pizza, doesn't it? You know, I'm a true, like, I'm a very, like, very much a vegetarian skeptic. Like, healthy alternatives for really delicious things usually don't fly with me, but this actually looks and smells really good. That looks like a real sausage pizza. Gotta make sure the sausage coverage is at a good ratio.
I'm gonna make sure the cheese is at a good ratio.
Yum. Okay, guys, we've got lots of yummy smelling things in this house because that's, like, our house usually smells good, but when people come over, we like it to smell, like, extra good. So we've got black cherry merlot wallflower in here. Then we've got pineapple
Are you sure one
mango.
of these wasn't the fish one?
Can't remember which one now. We should probably not use either of them. I mean, they've been through the dishwasher both, so.
Well, obviously.
Yeah. Oh, also our snail is just, he's been floating all day. What does this mean? Does anybody know what this means? Because he's just been floating, not sticking to anything, just kind of like chilling, but chilling a little too hard. Like we're a little nervous. So if anybody could tell us what this guy's doing, that'd be great. In the room, oh, we have another wallflower, black cherry merlot over here. Then in the room, we've got lavender vanilla burning. Beauty room, we have 2 candles burning. This one is my fave, pistachio ice cream. And then this one over here, I peeled off the sticker, but that's like strawberry margarita or something. I don't know, it's fruity. I don't know. And then, actually I don't think I've ever showed you guys our gallery wall. It's kind of lit. I kind of like it. And then we have more over here. Did this just turn into an apartment tour? Maybe. And then, last but not least, our bathroom. We've got another lavender vanilla because I just feel like this is a very like serene scent, you know? And then of course, I peeled the sticker off because I think it looks cooler like this, but this is black cherry merlot hand soap because that's our fave. There's spots on that. But yeah, this kind of turned into like a mini apartment tour. If you guys want a full one, I know you do. That'll come soon. We just have a few things to get up before I do that because I'm OCD like that. But actually, I'm not OCD at all. But you know, an apartment tour, you kind of want everything to be perfect. Wow, I'm realizing right now how drunk I am. That's gonna be it for now. I'll see you when the pizza's ready. Okay, bitches, it's guacamole time. He did?
Yeah.
You went to that same guy?
Yeah. I like it.
Oh, ooh, and he's so much closer. Guacamole time. Let's see if this is any good. It's okay. Okay, so my guac, it's very simple. It's basically just avocado. I'm only making a little this time, so I'm just using 1 avocado. And then a little bit of tomato, a little bit of some pickled jalapenos, and some pickled red onions. And then some salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little onion powder. That's basically it. Oh, and lime juice. Forgot about that. Let's do this. Okay, we got some tomato. That is questionable, but we only need a little, so it's fine. And then some pickled jalapenos. You can also use the juice from this, and it makes it delicious. So it's gonna take like this many. I don't know how many that is. And these I like to chop up really, really fine because you kind of just want the flavor. And because they're pickled, they're not like very crunchy anyway. So you kind of want them to just be minced. And also, obviously, put as many as you can handle spice-wise. But jalapenos, I feel like, aren't that spicy. They're more like flavorful. A few pickled red onions. Chop those up. I think I did in a video before how I make my pickled red onions. It's literally just like you slice up an onion, put it in a mason jar with some water, some vinegar, some salt, and some sugar. And you good. And I just keep them in the fridge because we use them for like a lot of different things. Before I mash this up, I'm going to take a little bit of the pickled jalapeno juice. And then sprinkle in some salt, black pepper, some onion powder, and a little bit of garlic powder. Ooh. Some lemon juice because we don't have wine. So to make it look pretty, just smush it down in the bowl. So it's like, you know, one single layer. And then just take a paper towel and wipe the edges. And then take the avocado pit and put it right in the middle. And that'll keep it from going brown. And you got yourself some yummy ass guacamole. Oh gosh, stop. Guys, these wings smell so good. I think the bottle was called, it was like Wing Time or something. I got it at Whole Foods, and this sauce is just so delicious. Okay guys, these are our vegetarian pizzas. I decided to call them vegetarian because we know they're not vegan, but honestly, they look pretty damn good. Like, really, actually really good. I'm very proud. This one turned out crispier and better. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. We're gonna do a little taste test. I'm gonna do sausage. That's pretty good. It's got like a different flavor than pizza, but you still feel like you're eating pizza.
Yes. I'm not mad at that.
Yeah, not at all.
That's bomb.
And the cheese is really good. Wow. Wow. Like, I would actually, like, maybe not order this, but I would make this again. Yum. And the sausage is delicious. It's button. Recording. That's a great angle. Thank you so much.
You ain't low. You ain't low enough.
Oh, wow. Show me your outfit. Step back. Shit. Ooh, the tuck in. Crucial. Crucial.
That's the
thumbnail. Yep.
That's tuck in.
This for Ash and
That's tuck in.
Pass me my camera because I want you to vlog it.
Oh, well, I'm videotaping it.
Oh, okay.
But also, I understand.
Ow! This one won't budge.
I like it.
Hold on. Hold, please.
I like it.
Oh my god, bro. It's not working.
what happens?
Cocaine, man.
What happened? Where is it?
It's probably here and here. So it's always put there for a while.
It's like a band-aid, just fucking.
Shit.
You get that wrong.
I did.